पणजे आज जो कॅप्टन ऑफ द पोर्टसागेलो टर्मिनल इनॉग्रेट जावपाचो, that inauguration has been cancelled. We have heard the minister saying that the inauguration has been cancelled because of the port laws act जो 2025 लास्ट इयर ऑगस्टा जो आउट केल्लो तेका लागून ते इम्प्लिमेंट जालें ना म्हणून तेमी आज हें केलें म्हणून ते इनॉग्रेशन केलें ना. बट जे आज एक न्यूज पेपराचे मराठी न्यूज पेपराचे येयलां, आय एम नॉट शुअर विच पेपर बट मराठी न्यूज पेपराचे येयलां की द युनियन मिनिस्टर has clearly told the Goa government that they will not inaugurate this terminal because the Goa Maritime Board bill passed झालना आणि is not in place. आणि Goa Maritime Board bill number 36 of 2026 हांवें मार्चा म्हयन्या असेंब्लींत हांवें टेबल केल्लें, हे लॉ डिपार्टमेंटाक गेल्लें आनी ताच्या फाटल्यान कांय जालें ना. हें हांवें प्रॉपरली इंडस्ट्री कडेन डिस्कस करून मॅरिटायम लॉयरा कडेन डिस्कस करून हांवें हें बिल रेडी केल्लें. And I being from the maritime profession for 18-19 years, आज आमचो कॅप्टन एल्बन आहा, he has been sailing right from cadetship म्हाका almost more than 25-30 years of experience. आमगे इंजिनियर मार्लन आहा, he has been sailing for right 20-25-30 years. कॅप्टन ग्लेन आहा, who's been sailing. So एस्टोन इंडस्ट्री पार्टनर्सा कडेन सगळे एसोसिएशना कडेन शिप बिल्डिंगा कडेन सगळ्या कडेन डिस्कस करून नो हाव घेवन हें बिल हांवें टेबल केल्लें. बट आज तुम्ही डबल इंजिन म्हणटाय आणि तुम्ही देशपेस गेलो इनॉग्रेशना सगळे कार्ड छापली सगळे केले आणि तुगे डबल इंजिनान उंचोन कम्युनिकेशन सांगले that it cannot be inaugurated. So I think this is a failure. Why has this maritime board bill not been implemented? कित्याक कितुले असे मिनिस्टर झाले. आज हांव बाब दिगंबर कामत जेन्ना हांव मेळ्ळो सगळ्यांनी इनॉग्रेशन आय टोल्ड हिम आय विल कम टू मीट हिम एंड आय विल गिव हिम दिस बिल अगेन, although he must have seen the bill which has been presented in the assembly. Because he is one person who has got a soft corner for shipping. He has been discussing with industry partners. He has been discussing with a lot of seafarers. And ताका एक सॉफ्ट कॉर्नर आहा कित्या हेच्या पयलीं कितले जाण येवन गेले पूण कोणें इम्प्लिमेंट केलें ना. आनी कित्याक इम्प्लिमेंट केलें ना? म्हाका दिसता की कॅप्टन ऑफ द पोर्ट्सागे जो डिपार्टमेंट आहा तेच्या अंडर 25-30-40 लोक काम करता. तेंगेलो जो पावर आहा तो पावर काबार जातलो. They will be accommodated into this board. They will be accommodated into this team. Plus ani भुरगे येतले. This will become a big team, a big system in place. हेजे special funding येतले. Crores of rupees are going to come here. Ships can come. Anchorage चे बोट येवपा जाताय. आज बॉम्बे Anchorage is full. Time लागता बोटिंग आणि बोटी जितलो टाइम लागता तितले पयस चड वयताय पोर्टाक. सो हिंग येन सर्वेज करून जाताय. हिंग येन बोटीचे लॉजिस्टिक सप्लाय जे आहा ते करूं जाता, क्रू चेंज करूं जाता हिंग बोटीन. प्लस बोटी आमगे एंकरेज इज क्लोजर. सो ह्यो सगळ्यो करूं जाता. प्लस मॅरिटायम बोर्ड येयलो म्हणटरी एमपीटी कडेन डिस्कशन करूं जाता की एमपीटीन जे बेतला वचोन जो आमगे कोस्ट जो आहा आपल्या अंडर गेला सेंट्रला वचोन, सो तो पतो काडपाता. दिस हॅज टू बी ब्रॉट बॅक ऑन द गोवा मॅरिटायम बोर्ड. आनी हो बोर्डाक एक काम इम्पॉर्टंट आहे. आज कॅप्टन ऑफ द पोर्ट जाय ना हे. सो इट इज इक्वली इम्पॉर्टंट. आतां ते ट्रेडिशनली कॅप्टन ऑफ द पोर्ट म्हणून आमी घेना आणि तेका लागून तितून तू भायर सरपाक दूख लागता. सो हेजे इन्व्हेस्टिगेशन जावपाक जाय. वाय इज दिस एंटायर सिस्टम not allowing the legislative wings of all parties that are coming and taking place over here, all parties that are following the government after government गेले. this is nothing new. महाराष्ट्रान फॉर्म केले, दुसरे गव्हर्नमेंटान फॉर्म केले, सगळ्याकडे मॅरिटायम बोर्ड आहा. and through the maritime board everything is functioning. investors येतले, शिप बिल्डिंग, शिप डिझायनिंग, हे सगळे इंडस्ट्रीज कॉमर्स जातले. गोवा इज अ ब्युटिफुली लोकेटेड प्लेस टुडे. शिपिंग इंडस्ट्रीक जरी तरी एकोमोडेट करपाक आमकां जायो आनी वी वॉन्ट टू इम्प्रूव द इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर. कित्याक आज आमगेले भुरगे बोटीर वचपाक सोदताय. कोणूय भुरगे क्रॉस कम्युनिटी सगळे भाजी कम्युनिटी भुरगे. आनी बोटीर तूं गेलो जाल्यार शिपिंगाक गेलो, लॉजिस्टिक्साक गेलो, हुंय कसले कामा पोजिशन तुवें ऑक्युपाय केलें एक 1 लाख रुपीजा सकल तू जोडपा तुगे आसना. एवरीथिंग विल बी मिनिमम 1 लाख सोन कॉमर्स जाता. कसलोय धंदो तू शिपिंगाक कॉमर्स करता. सो इट इज वन इंडस्ट्री that is going to benefit so many households. म्हाका उमेद आहा की प्रत्येक घराब्यान एक भुरगो शिपिंगा आसपाचो. जावं तो तारवोटी सी फेरर आसूं, जावं तो लॉजिस्टिक्स आसूं, जावं तो शिप बिल्डिंगा आसूं या कसले धंद्या आसूं. पूण शिपिंग रिलेटेड धंद्यांक आनी शिपिंग रिलेटेड इंडस्ट्रीन जरी तरी प्रत्येक भुरग्यान एंट्री घेयली, चेडवान एंट्री घेयली, चेड्यान एंट्री घेयली जाल्यार आमगेलो पर कॅपिटा इन्कम जो आहा जो ऑलरेडी हाय आहा तो तेज्या चड जातलो. आमगे लिव्हिंग स्टँडर्ड जो आहा, आमगे कल्चर जो आहा, सो तो म्हाका आमच्यान सस्टेन करून रावतले. प्लस unemployment जे आहा ते उणें जातलें. So it is very important that this bill is passed. The central government is also emphasizing on this bill, but somehow the Goa government is getting, is being controlled by bureaucrats. Bureaucrats are the one who are not allowing. We have to ask the secretary, why is he not implementing, why is he not giving a clearance to start this Goa Maritime Board bill to get it implemented? Why is he doing it? What is his vested interest? Why are these few people in the bureaucracy trying to hold on this and misguide? As Shri Honorable Minister Digambar Kamtik misguide केलो की पोर्ट्स एक्ट जो हा 2025 जो येल्लो ऑगस्टात न्यू येल्लो तेजे लॉ फ्रेम करपा जाय आनी स्टेटान देयर इज नथिंग टू डेट दोन्ही सेपरेट टॉपिक सो देयर इज नथिंग हे मिसगाइड केलो आनी मिसगाइड कोताय कोण हे आयएएस ऑफिसर जे आहेत आनी आमगे गोंयकारू आहेत ते थोडे एस जालो परिस्थिती and why they are doing I don't know. So I will make sure I will have a discussion with Honorable Minister Digambar Kamath. I will also talk to him. I will put up my views. मुगे industry knowledge आती है और share करता लो. आणि मकसदा we have to make sure that this maritime board and I will put up this maritime board bill again in the July assembly session which has to happen. तिथून आम घालतो. Very simple. आम्ही गोवा maritime board bill भी गायलो. इतू वर्ष झाली कोणी गायल ना. आणि ते रुलिंग साइडी घालपा सोदनाय कित्याक तेंक तो कॅप्टन ऑफ द पोर्ट्स जो तेंगे डिपार्टमेंट आहा तो तेंक बंद करूंक पडलो. सो तितू वेस्टेड इंटरेस्ट घुसलो हा आणि तेका लागून कोण गायनासले म्हणून फायनली हांवें ड्राफ्ट करून लिगली वेट बी करून हांवें गायलो. तो असेंब्ली पार्ट कटेल जायली तेम घेयना ना आणि आता आज जे इनॉग्रेशन जावपा आसलें ते इनॉग्रेशन जालें ना आणि मिनिस्टरान कितें म्हणलें युनियन मिनिस्टरान म्हणलें की यू हॅव नॉट फॉर्मुलेटेड द गव्हर्नमेंट. सो आय थिंक द होल थिंग इज अबाउट द बिल. The central government is emphasizing that all states should have a maritime board bill, and from the maritime board bill, the shipping segment, the shipping industry is going to develop. There are funds that can come, there are companies that can invest.
Sailing for last 30 years and almost 15-16 years as a master. So, lot of shipping experience, and as he Benzin Sangla, the maritime bill, it is a very important thing and it is a good thing. गोवा जायत फायद जातलो. पयले सांगले सिंगापोर एक धाकली कंट्री which is entirely dependent on shipping. Shipping is not only sailing the ships. There are a lot of other parts of shipping. There is crewing, there is repairs, there are surveys. So a lot of jobs can be created. And we don't know the reason why this is not being implemented. Atyane sogla hard work kela. Everybody, all the shipping professionals have given their inputs, and he's drafted the bill. Atem forgot implement करपा जाय. They have to do some changes. They have to just vet it and implement it. That's all. Just for your knowledge, Goa shipbuilding industry is valued at 22,865 crores in financial year 24. It has the potential to grow to 64,058 crore by financial year 37, contributing nearly 11% to Goa's GSDP. So what is the harm in implementing? We would request the state government to implement it as soon as possible. It will benefit.
When the Vegas has discussed and explained the various benefits of this Goa State Maritime Bill and also explained by Captain Elbel, I would also request the state government to go ahead and proceed with the implementation and passing of this bill because it has only got benefits, a lot of benefits for Goa. Being a decentralized system, so the State Maritime Board of Goa will be, regulating the framework, the rules, regulations and everything. And the bottlenecks will be removed from the centralized system, Otherwise it takes a lot of time and process. Another thing will be that there will be a lot of transparency because the Goa State Maritime Board will be drafting the regulations, the rules, the framework. So it will benefit the private investors also, foreign as well as private investors. They will come forward because there will be more transparency. And of course it will benefit coastal security. The State Maritime Board can get in touch with the Coast Guard and the coastal security and enhance the coastal security also. And also environment compliance. That part also can be taken care of besides going for green energy and protecting the environment. So looking forward, it is only beneficial for the state to go ahead and pass this bill.
Okay, myself, Malan Vegas, long time into the shipping fraternity, that is in the merchant navy. A lot of expertise is there. Avunu, amcha जायते friends, colleagues, they into this industry from Goa. So implementing this maritime board, lot of job opportunities. Unemployment is a challenge which every individual, the youth, एक जॉब अनाउंस केला जाल्यार तुम जाणाय थिंगा कितली एप्लिकेशन आसताय ओ कितली लायन आसता ती फॉर वन पोस्ट. सो रिगार्डिंग दिस मॅरिटायम बोर्ड इम्प्लिमेंट केला जाल्यार there's a lot of job opportunities can arise. So every individual in every aspects of their professionalism, whatever they have studied at the academic year, college level or later on in the professional colleges, they use the land. So मास्टर गवर्नमेंट लगी और तुमकां तो डाउट आला you can introspect again about this maritime bill आनी फुडाराचेर चिंतून आमचे गोंयकार भुरग्याचे जॉब ऑपॉर्च्युनिटीज सो ते कन्सिडर करचे आनी इम्प्लिमेंट करचे.